Okay, so here's my recipe for world famous chocolate chips. Just trust me on this one, okay? You need a couple scoops of flour, like 1 or 2 eggs, pinch of salt, baking powder, soda, both, a little bit of water, I don't know about that, salt, sugar, I said salt, sugar, put it in the oven. You gotta keep an eye on it. I know some people do timers, but you watch it when it starts to brown, boom, you pull them out. So freaking good. There you go. Don't make that recipe unless you're upset at your kids, and then do make it and serve it to them. But a bill of material is your company's recipe for all the products you make, and that's kind of a no-brainer. Okay, so a bill of material can be very simple, like 3 pieces that go into a very simple part, or they can be incredibly complex, consisting of thousands of pieces and sub-assemblies, but it's still a bill of materials. How can you and your business take your bill of materials to the next level? Well, think of it this way. If your bill of materials is connected to your current inventory, it's kind of like this time traveling recipe, in that you can see exactly how many of a product you can make with the inventory that you have on hand. You can see how many parts or pieces you need to order or are not on hand for an upcoming work order that you have to fulfill. And that recipe, if tied to your inventory and in an inventory solution, is now this modifiable recipe where, let's say something happens and you're missing some ingredients or some parts, which is kind of happening lately for a lot of people. You can quickly swap that out. You don't need to rebuild it, and that will now tie into whatever that new part number is or that new sub-assembly that you need to create. So again, you're saving time, you're saving your process by streamlining this whole thing. So very simple, and yet people don't take enough advantage of what a bill of materials can do for them and their business. So if you have questions about bill of materials, check us out, fishbowlinventory.com. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go find a better recipe for chocolate chip cookies, because those sound really good. And I always make this stuff when I want to eat. Why? I'm James, this is Whiteboard Wednesday.